In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Affirm to bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly when transfers are allowed and how to move your money smoothly without delays. First, a quick note about eligibility. You can transfer money out of Affirm only in two situations: if you have an Affirm savings account with an available balance, or if you received a refund or credit from a merchant that was processed through Affirm. Regular loan funds can't be withdrawn directly to your bank, so keep that in mind before you start. If you're using an Affirm savings account, open the Affirm app or go to the website. Sign in with your mobile number or passkey, then from your dashboard select your savings account. Tap transfer out, enter the amount you want to move, and make sure it's part of your available balance, not tied to any active loan. Next, choose your linked bank account. If you haven't linked one yet, go to Profile, then Linked Accounts, and select Add Bank to connect and verify it before you transfer. Without a linked bank, transfers won't complete. In general, moving money without a linked bank only works when a payment plan was requested before checkout. Once your bank is selected, review the details and tap Confirm Transfer. Transfers from savings typically take 1 to 3 business days to arrive. As a heads up, if you're looking for Apple Pay options, Affirm currently accepts Apple Pay payments with a debit card only and doesn't support autopay with Apple Pay, so you won't see Apple Pay for this transfer. If your goal is to move a refund or merchant credit, wait until the refund finishes processing back into your Affirm account. You'll receive an email confirmation when it's ready. Then open the Affirm app, go to Payments, and select Refunds. Choose to deposit the refund to your linked bank account or your debit card. Refund transfers usually take 3 to 5 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. A few final tips to avoid hiccups. Make sure your bank account is verified in Affirm before you try to transfer. You can only move money that's actually available, never from an active loan balance. If timing matters, start the transfer early in the week to help avoid weekend or holiday delays, and keep an eye on your app for status updates. That's it. Follow these steps and your money should land in your bank without any surprises.